on love when you go to sleep with no man. It's on love when you come around with no man.
Get down if you lizard.
Lizard, give me your money.
I thought it was the other way. 15.
I'm gonna have to talk to Victoria's Secret about that bag. I need to look kiss right here on the shoulder. Pull this head. Please show me an entrance. We got the jet skis. Okay. No! Shut up with your Versace on.
Yeah, I like when it rain real bad.
I know you ready to go to the room and get the camera and run out and record everything
I missed it, man. I really watched it.
Who cares that your mom used to make you run out in Trinidad between the trees and play in this type of weather?
My shine.
We don't do this in the United States.
You don't downplay my shine. We had fun. Me and my brother had fun. I don't know about you.
In the United States, that's called child abandonment, child abusive, child endangerment.
You said I did when you was asleep.
You've been lying. Y'all, he hits me in my sleep.
While I'm sleeping.
If I sleep on his chest, he hits me while I'm sleeping. He beats me when I'm sleeping. Actually good. It's really good, actually. Another rainbow. This is crazy. Open it, babe. How do you open it? This is crazy. Oh my god. We always catch the rainbows.
That's so cool.
It is so cool.
It's big.
It is big. If only they knew how big it was.
I'm glad I said something.
That's crazy. I know, baby.
All that moss got washed up on the sea. No,
It
the
did.
water went down. See? Oh, yeah. Because you can see the...
Come back. Because if you go in there, baby, I'm going in there after you. Oh, yes. It's beautiful, right? It's beautiful. Right. We need the good luck. We need the blessings.
Yeah, there you go. That's beautiful, though.
It is.
Been there for a minute, but it's getting brighter.
Right, and how it's bouncing off of the water, like right here.
Exactly. Yeah.
Right to us, yeah. I love it. Little foot right there. Right here on the water. Arms all the way. The ocean.